My dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. What we have discussed in the last class, children, do you remember? Yes, area of rectangle and area of square. What is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B squared it is. That is L means length, B means breadth. That is area of rectangle equal to L into B squared it is. What is the formula for area of square? A square units, where A is the side of the square. These are the two formulas we have discussed in the last class, and also we find the area of rectangle and the square by using the squares also. Okay, in today's class we are going to learn another concept, perimeter. Do you know what is meant by perimeter, children? In Tamil we will say perimeter as சுற்றளவு. Okay, what is meant by perimeter is the total length of the shape or the total length of its boundary is called the perimeter. Let us also define the perimeter as, see the board, children. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. That is, in the given shape you have to find the distance around the outside of the shape. It is called as perimeter. How can we find the perimeter of the given shape? By adding length of all its sides, we get the perimeter of the given shape. Now we are going to derive the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Okay, see here, this is the rectangle. We call the length, that is, we denote the length by using the letter L. We denote the breadth by B. Okay, what is the length of this side? L. What is the length of this side? B. How can we find the perimeter of the given shape? By adding the length of all its sides. How many sides the rectangle have? 4 sides. So by adding the length of its 4 sides, we can get the perimeter of rectangle. See here, perimeter of rectangle equal to, what is the length of the first side? L. So here we are writing L plus, what is the length of another side we are taking? B. So you have to write plus B plus, what is the length of this side? L. So L plus, what is the length of this side? B. Thus we can find the perimeter of rectangle by length plus breadth plus length plus breadth units. That is, we are adding length for 2 times. So here we are writing 2L. 2L means 2 into L. That is, between 2 and L, the operation is multiplication. Remember, children, how many times we are adding B? 2 times. So here we are writing 2B. That is, between 2 and B, the operation is multiplication. Stay, children. Thus, L plus B plus L plus B units can be written as 2L plus 2B. Okay, this is the derivation of the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Okay, again we are taking the 2 commonly outside from these 2 terms. Okay, thus we are taking 2 from 2L. So remaining we have L only. Here we are taking 2 from 2B. So remaining we have B only. So finally we can give the formula of perimeter of rectangle as 2 into L plus B units. Repeat after me, children. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. In case of area, here you written square units in case of area of rectangle. But in the case of perimeter, simply you have to write the units only. Why? Because we just adding the length of its side. So here we have to write only units only. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. You can also use 2L plus 2B units also. Both are correct, children. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the area of rectangle for example. Okay. See here. Find the perimeter of the following rectangle. They have given one rectangle. What is its length? 6 cm. So what is the length of this side? This is also 6 cm. Okay. What is the breadth? 2 cm. So this side also 2 cm. We know the formula for perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So you have to write the formula as perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. have to write the value of L. What is the value of L? 6 cm. So L equal to 6 cm. What is the value of B? 2 cm. So B equal to 2 cm. Now we are going to substitute the value of L and B in the formula now. So it is equal to 2 into, instead of L we are writing its measurement 6 plus, for B we are substituting its value 2. For units, here they given the units length in centimeter. So here we are writing the centimeter. Suppose in the question they giving millimeter, means here you are writing millimeter. In meter means here you are writing meter. Straight children? Okay. 2. What is the value of 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 is 8. You first calculate these numbers within the bracket and then you have to multiply this number with 2. Straight children? So 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 into 8, 16 centimeter. It's straight children? Okay. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of rectangle directly. How can we find the directly? See here. We know that perimeter means just add the length of each side. Now we are going to add the length of this side. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Here also we get 16 centimeter. Thus, by using the formula, we get 16 centimeter. By directly we find the perimeter. In that case also we get 16 centimeter. Next we are going to use the square method to find the perimeter of the rectangle. See here children, this is the shape they have given. What as perimeter. Here we are going to find the perimeter of this shape. What I have told, what is meant by perimeter? We have to just add the length of the sides of the given shape. So first you have to find the length of the each sides of the given shape. Okay. What is the length of these sides? 1, 2. That is each square is side of having 1 centimeter. So it is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So what is the length of this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So length of this side is 6 centimeter. Similarly, length of this side also 6 centimeter. What is the length of this side? 1 plus 1, 2 centimeter. What is the length of this side? 2 centimeter. What is meant by perimeter? You just add the length of each side. Thus 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2, 16 centimeter. Thus the perimeter of the given shape is 16 centimeter. Thus for the rectangle, by using the direct method also we found 16 centimeter. By using the formula method, that is 2 into L plus B, we find the answer 16 centimeter. By using the squares, we also find the perimeter as 16 centimeter. I hope you understand the concept of perimeter very well. Okay. Next we are going to see the perimeter of square. Okay. What is meant by square? Square means it have all the sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degree. I have already told as its properties. Okay. This is the given square. You usually take the side as a units. Okay. That is the given square have the side as A units. This also A units and here also A units. Here also A units. Now we are going to derive the formula for perimeter of square. Already we have derived the formula for perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B units. Okay. Now we are going to derive the formula for perimeter of square. To calculate the perimeter, we have to just add the length of all its sides. How many sides the square have? 4 sides. Now we are going to add the length of its 4 sides. So A plus A plus A plus A. That is A plus A plus A units. That is we are adding the A for 4 times. So here you have to write 4A. 4A means between A and A the operation is multiplication. Remember it children. Okay. Thus the formula for perimeter of square is 4A units. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B units. What is the formula for perimeter of square? 4A units. Okay. See the sum. Find the perimeter of the following square. They are given a square and asked us to calculate the perimeter of it. Okay, they given 2 centimeter as a one length of its one side. So we can easily write length of the other side also 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, because in square all the sides are equal. What is the formula for a perimeter of square? Perimeter of square equal to 4a units. Here what is the value of a? 2 centimeters. So instead of a we are substituting 2, that is 4 into 2 centimeter. In this step you can also write it as 4 into 2 children. Okay, both are correct. You can also write 4 within the bracket 2. We can also write 4 into 2. Okay, so what is the answer? 4 into 2, 8 centimeter. Thus for the given square we have calculated the perimeter as 8 centimeter. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of the square directly. How can we calculate? You just add the length of each side, that is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 centimeter. Thus we have calculated the perimeter of the square directly as 8 centimeter. By formula also we have calculated as 8 centimeter. It's clear, children? Next we are going to find the perimeter of square by using the squares. Okay, see here children, they given a shape and the side of the given square is 1 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, like that. What they are asking is we have to calculate the perimeter of it. Okay, to calculate the perimeter we have to just add the length of each side. What is the length of this side? 2 centimeters. Similarly here also 2 centimeters. This side also 2 centimeters. This side also 2 centimeters. Thus perimeter equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 8 centimeters. Thus for the square we are using the direct method as well as the formula method, as well as by using the squares we have found out the perimeter. Okay, next we are going to find the perimeter of some following shapes. Till we are seeing only square and the rectangle only. See here they given the different shapes. Here we are going to calculate the perimeter of these shapes. Okay, see here what is the length of this sides? Yes, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So every side is 1 centimeter. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this shape. To calculate the perimeter, you have to add the length of each side. Okay, what is the length of this side? 1 plus 1, 2. So here you have to write 2. Okay, that's this side we have finished. What is the length of this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the length of this side? 5 centimeter. So here we are writing plus 5. It's clear, children? What is the length of this side? Only 1. So length of this side is 1 centimeter. So here you have to write plus 1. It's clear, children? What is the length of this side? Already I have told perimeter means total length of its boundary. This is the boundary. Okay, so you have to add the length of this side also. What is the length of this side? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 centimeter. So here you have to write 3. Okay, this is also one of its boundary. So what is the length of this side? 1 centimeter. So here you have to write plus 1. It's clear, children? What is the length of this side? 1 plus 1, 2 centimeter. So plus 2. You have already written this answer. So these are the length of the sides of the given shape. By adding these numbers, we can get the perimeter of the given shapes. Now we can add this. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1, 14 centimeter. It's clear, children? Thus, without using any formula, because this is not a rectangle, this is not a square. It is some shape they have given. By using this square, we have calculated the perimeter as 14 centimeter. It's clear, children? See the next one. They have given one shape. It looks like clearly T. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this shape. What is the length of this side? 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length of this side is 5 centimeter. So here you have to write 5. What is the length of this side? 1 centimeter. So here you have to write 5 plus 1. What is the length of this side? 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So it is 2 centimeters. So here you have to write plus 2. Listen carefully children. Perimeter means total length of the given shape. So this is the boundary. Listen carefully. This is the boundary of the given shape. So we have written 5 and 1 and 2. So you have to write the length of this side also. What is the length of this side? 1 centimeter. So here you have to write 1 centimeter. It's clear children. What is the length of this side? 1 centimeter. So here you have to write plus 1. What is the length of this side? 1 centimeter. So plus 1. What is the length of this side? 1 plus 1, 2 centimeter. So here you have to write plus 2. What is the length of this side? 1 centimeter. Thus here you have to write plus 1 in 4 bracket centimeter. It's clear children? Thus 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one also we have the same answer as 14 centimeter. Thus by using these squares we have calculated the given shape of perimeter as 14 centimeter. It's clear children? So far what are the concepts we have discussed is area of rectangle, area of square, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square. Okay, so you have to definitely memorize this formula children. Okay, read the formula along with me. Area of rectangle equal to L into B square units. Perimeter of rectangle equal to, how can you read it? Read this, 2 into L plus B units. For perimeter you have to write units only. For area you have to write square units. Okay. Area of square equal to A square square units. Perimeter of square equal to 4A units. It's clear children? Definitely you have to memorize these 4 formula. Okay. Along with this video you have the classwork images. Copy down the content in your classwork note neatly and do the homework sums in your homework note. And whenever you find time, read the multiplication table. Okay. Thank you children.